Hello viewers, welcome again with Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a chili sambal, which is a multiple use for many dishes, and from here I will be using a lot of dishes I'll be using this chili paste. So let's see how to make it, this chili paste. This chili paste requires a minimal of ingredients: oil, sugar, sesame seed, salt to taste, some dried chilies, approximately about 30 to 50, and here 1 pot of garlic. So first things first, dear viewers, I have pre-soaked some chilies over here, about 40 to 50 chilies right now in this basin. So let's see what to do the next. Our first step is to grind the chilies. So I'm going to add them into the jar and we will grind it. And with the same soaked water, we will add a little bit and we will grind it into a thick paste. Dear viewers, now this is ready to be ground. Our chili paste is ready. Now we have to cook this with some of the ingredients that was listed earlier. And now we shall turn on the stove to a medium high. About 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and we allow the oil to warm up, and we will add the next ingredient. And the oil is pretty hot, and at this time we can add the first ingredient, which is the chopped garlic. We will fry this garlic until it's well fried. Dear viewers, as the garlic has been fried now, so now we can add the chili paste, which I have grounded, straight into it. And we will rinse it with water, whatever the balance is, because we do not want to waste anything. And now we will let this boil until the oil gets separated. We will also mix this well, and we will wait for the oil to get separated. And as the sambal, the chili paste, is boiling, so let it boil and let it get reduced. Then we will add the salt and sugar before we take it off from the stove. Our chili paste is changing its color, and so we have to cook it until the color is changed and well fried. I would like to add a little bit of water to dilute it, and then we will continue cooking it because the oil needs to get separated and the color has to change to a reddish color. So let's wait until this gets cooked up well. And now, dear viewers, the oil has already got separated. So now we can add a teaspoon of sesame seed. It's an optional if you want to add. If you don't want, it's okay. So sesame seeds goes in, and also we will add a little bit of salt, and we mix it up. Some people add vinegar. You may if you want to, and I'm not adding any vinegar. So this is the chili paste that I have made, and also you can add some sugar into this, just a little bit, approximately about a teaspoon or 2, just to balance the flavors and to give a slight sweetness to the chili paste. And so we will let it cook for a few minutes, and then we can move it from the stove. And dear viewers, our sambal, or the chili sambal, is ready, and so now we can remove it and let it cool. And dear viewers, we have come to the final part of our video, and here is the ready sambal. Even you can see the oil are floating a little bit outside, which is well and fully cooked, the sambal. And this is usable for many dishes, and I will be using the sambal to use for other dishes. So stay tuned with me with all my dishes that is coming up. So I really wanted to make this sambal video, and now I have made it. So stay tuned with me and follow me and please spread the word around. And those who are new, please like and share the channel, and you will not miss anything from this channel. Actually, I'm going to bring more recipes, easy and fast and quick. So I hope you will spread the word and enjoy this channel very well. And so with that, I'm going to end my video here. Thank you for following me in this Friday friendly kitchen, and we will see each another in our next video. And till then, bye bye. And please, if you are not sure of anything, please do write to me and I will respond to you. Thank you very much and see you. Bye bye.